I was lucky enough to find this manual and AutoCAD 2.17 distribution in the apartment we rented in Rapallo, Italy. This discovery became the reason to tell about the history of AutoCAD, the most popular CAD system in the world. The history of this program began as a home project of Mike Riddle under the name Interact. Mike began writing Interact in 1977 in his free time and finished in 1979. You must understand that at that time there were no graphical interfaces for computers and manipulators such as trackballs or mouse. All drawing was done exclusively by entering coordinates from the keyboard, so AutoCAD was promoted on the market as a word processor for drawings, i.e. as a replacement for hand tools for drawing on paper. Version 2.17, which I am holding in my hands, was released in 1985. The distribution kit came on 3 floppy disks and with a key. The program was purchased by the founders of Autodesk for $1 and 10% of profits from sales of the program itself and any other products created on its basis. Time has shown that Riddle was not mistaken, and this decision ultimately made him a dollar millionaire. In January 1992, Mike Riddle sold his royalty rights in AutoCAD to Autodesk for $11,875,000.